Are you constantly losing stuff and feeling super disorganized when you travel? Can never find what you need? Want to avoid that in the future? Coming up. Welcome to Travel Tip Tuesday with the Traveling Cheesehead. My name is Michelle, and every Tuesday I share a practical and helpful travel tip to save you time, money, and headaches. And today is about losing your mind by getting disorganized when you travel. I travel a lot, and I have not always done so in a great way. Oftentimes when I've packed, I've just kind of threw things together, packed way too many things, and then when I need something, I don't know where it is. We're checking into a hotel. I can't find my confirmation information anywhere. I can't find it in my phone, not to mention we didn't have Wi-Fi, so I couldn't connect to download the information that I needed, and I couldn't find the hard copies. I didn't know where I had put them. So I wanted to avoid that going forward, and I figured out a better way to travel and a better way to stay organized when I travel. I pack with a plan in mind. So the very first thing I did is I actually invested in a couple of things to help with my organization, because an excuse to buy some travel related gear is always a good reason. I use packing cubes. So I can organize all of my clothes, my husband's clothes into these cubes, and I know exactly where my clothes are, where his clothes are, and I can keep them separated. And so that way I'm not digging through everything, unfolding everything just to find one thing. I know where it is. Another thing is the documents. Like I mentioned, you want to have a printed copy of your documents, because if you don't, you're going to check in and you might not be able to access them on your phone anymore. You might not have battery power, any number of reasons why you might not be able to access them. So you want to have the printed copy. Not to mention, I don't particularly like handing my phone to the person at the front desk so they can read what's on there. I would prefer to hand them a piece of paper that I really don't care if I get back or not. I have an eBags Motherload Junior rollerboard carry-on bag, and in that bag it has this nice little side, like front pocket zip that is perfect for my documents. So I put everything in there because I want to make sure it's all in one spot, it's all right where I know it is, and it's very accessible so I can just pull it out when I need it. I put everything in there, from all my hotel confirmations, car rental confirmations. I even put out printed copies of directions if I've done so ahead of time. I put my itinerary in there. Everything that is paper related that I need access to, I put it right there. And it's helped me stay super organized going forward. I'm gonna have some more travel tips on this because I feel that this is a big topic of how to stay organized, and I have more tips for you regarding how I stay organized. But these were my first couple. I hope you enjoyed Travel Tip Tuesday with the Traveling Cheesehead. If you did and you found this helpful, give me that thumbs up. I really appreciate knowing that this is helping you all. Please ask me any questions in the comments below. I'd love to interact with you, get to know you as my viewers and as my travel tribe. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell, because every Tuesday I come out with more travel tips and you don't want to miss a thing. Thanks again for watching Travel Tip Tuesday with the Traveling Cheesehead. Until next time, travel safe.